Whiting's truck repair hoists range in size from 9 to 22 tons and are an integral part of the car hoist maintenance system in many modern transit and freight maintenance shops. A truck repair hoist's primary purpose is to increase shop safety and efficiency by providing maintenance personnel with a convenient access height for the inspection, maintenance, and repair of the truck. Using a rugged and proven electro-mechanical steel alloy screw and bronze alloy nut design, the two-screw truck repair hoists offer self-locking nuts along with steel safety nuts as backup for added fail-safe protection. Added features like over-travel limit switches help make the truck repair hoists one of the safest pieces of equipment in your maintenance shop. With minimal needed routine maintenance, Whiting truck repair hoists are known for their long-term reliability, open design for easy truck servicing, and safety in maintenance shops across North America.